Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I made Buttermints. They're really good and very simple to make, so let's get started. Alright, you can either get a stand mixer or a pound attachment on roll, or you can use a hand mixer on one spoon, or just use a wooden spoon. I'm putting one quarter of a cup of softened butter. Then a half a teaspoon of peppermint extract. And a few drops of food coloring. That gives any color you like. I'm using blue. Now just turn this on to roll until it's just mixed together. Look at 2 cups of powdered sugar and just add a spoon at a time. Now, at this point you want to knead this. Now, you can either knead it by hand, or if you have a stand mixer like this, put on the door hook to knead, and knead it for about 5 minutes or so. Alright, so once you stop kneading, take it out and then roll into a bowl and put some confection sugar on the board, and what you do is break off a small amount, roll it into a bowl, and then you roll it. Just basically, stretch it out because we're gonna be cutting them into pieces. And then basically cut them into whatever shape, size you want. Usually, like many ones. Once you finish cutting these strips, put them on like a baking tray with parchment paper. Want to overlay that like that. Just leave it here at room temperature for about a few hours till they get a little tougher. And then you can eat them forever. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for Buttermints, as you can see. Yeah, they're a little bit soft, but yeah, but it's still really good, so give it a try. Oh, the best. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.